my first impression of these two, you can see the age difference. I'm worried though, what about the school? What about the books? But it seems as though though, you know about cute. How long have you guys been together?
A couple months.
And how's it been?
Well, it's been fun, rough, and everything, you know, how each and every couple is, but it's mostly fun.
So what would you think, or what would you say is the most exciting thing about your relationship?
So far, everything. Honeymoon phase. We're still beginning, because Lena date guys.
Okay.
So so far.
Oh, is this your first relationship with a gentleman?
The gentleman's my first, yes.
Okay, yeah.
So far, yeah.
It's quite interesting, Uguti, he chooses to come out on national television about this. Is there anything that pushed your decision to finally explore a homosexual relationship?
Sure. First thing ngiyambona ukuthi hayi man. Umuntu cute nyana mara yazi nithi ngizame because uyambona umuntu vele ukuthi naye bengimbona ukuthi vele hayi lo ngathi vele u-sexual nyana yabona so ngazama ukuthi ithi ngapproach.
Yeah.
As vele bengukele motho lo re so tlhagelle nna lena re decide hore now we are ready njengoba nna lena re lefa hore now we are ready hore our families, friends, they can see hore it's very normal.
Wena no ubuti umosa necessary item.
Musa umuntu
wakho?
Yes.
Is it? How long has it been?
3 years, 2 years.
3 years.
3 to 2 years.
And guys, nihlukane wena no Lona? No.
Around April, sike ne break nyana, but what December benginaye.
What December benginaye?
Yes.
Manje lo sekhothini.
I don't believe it. Like,
Is it?
Uzothenba kanjani because I was so Musa wena. And I was like 24/7.
So
Musa is my man. So now uyakumangaza ukuthi uphuma phi.
Uzombeleza hore wena nelekgawgane.
Asihlukenanga ke. Futhi or sisisi whatever that you are.
Musa uthe ba hlukene.
Asohlukananga noMusa.
Umakhakha. Like oluhle umakhakha.
Ungaba comfortable masingahamba siyokhuluma naye uMusa?
Yes, please.
Sure.
I need an explanation.
Okay. Asingenene emotweni ngena so check uMusa uthini.
Right.
Sure, but nanda. Like happy. Mare I'm ka gore ra go bona Musa. Maybe some clarity it tla go tla. Hopefully it's not, I think.